You have probably used a lot of phones over the years, and so have I. So we can both agree on crazy moments which have gotten us to panic and go all brain numb, whilst the problem was just as simple as crossing the road. Well, I'm going to show you how to fix 5 common smartphone problems, and you'd like to stay till the end of the video if you want to grab every single information I give. And without wasting any time at all, let's get into the video.
Is it on?
Hello, I am Jehiel and welcome to the channel where I deliver tech tips and I explain everyday tech concepts to the average human being. Diving straight into our the first problem has to do with charging. This problem could be from your charger, the phone port, or external factors. And how do we fix this? First of all, you have to test your charger inside a different phone. For all you know, the problem could be from the charging port, or maybe the charger wouldn't be able to fit into your charging port. So try it in a different phone to see. If you realize this is happening, there are some things that you could do. You could clean the charging port of your phone, or you could just buy a new charger to replace that old one. For all you know, it has been worn out and it wouldn't fit directly in your phone, probably because your charging port has expanded or something like that. So first of all, you have to clean inside the charging port, or you can also get a new charger. Secondly, you can check in your building to see if you have power, or better still, check your wall outlets to see if the switch is either turned on or off. If your switch is turned off, please turn it on and try to connect your charger again. If it's turned on, make sure that your charger is connected properly into the wall outlet, or an extension board you are using is connected directly or properly inside the wall outlet. Then you can start raising conclusions as to whether your charging port is spoiled or the charger is spoiled. Then you would have to replace it or see a repairer. The second problem is when your screen messes up, and most of the times this has to do with software or hardware problems. Here is how to fix it. First of all, you just have to turn off the screen of your phone and then just turn it back on. If it's a software problem, then just some minor glitches in your phone. So just click on the power button, then click it back on, and then input your password or your PIN or your fingerprint or your Face ID, and then you should be good to go. Sometimes all you have to do is just to power off the phone, like completely shut it down, and yes, you wouldn't be able to use your screen. So what should you do? Long click on the button or long press on the power button for 5 to 10 seconds, and this should turn off your phone forcibly. When this happens, then you just turn it back on again, input your password, and you should be good to go. Properly clean the screen of the phone so that you can get rid of any liquid or dust. Sometimes these particles can affect your touch or the touch screen of the phone. And also, please let the phone rest. You've been using it too much, and then just turn it off. Turn it off. Next on the list of crazy phone problems has to do with your speaker, or when you have speaker issues. You have 2 speakers on your phone, one at the bottom and one at the top, in case you didn't know. So when you are facing phone issues where you cannot hear the audio coming out from your phone, or you cannot hear the audio when you are making a phone call, then you should do this right now. Turn off your phone, like forcefully turn it off, and this can be done by prolongedly clicking or pressing on the power button for 5 to 10 seconds. This is going to turn off your phone. Turn it back on, input your password, do your Face ID and things, and when your phone comes back, try again, play music or doing something like that. Secondly, you need to clean the speakers of your phone, and you can do this on your own by using a very thin prickly metal to clean the audio grills on the bottom, and for the top too, you can use a piece of fabric to clean that part of your phone, and also clean the proximity sensor of your phone. If you don't know what a proximity sensor is and you would want to know how the proximity sensor of your phone works, leave it in the comment section and I'm sure to do a video about it. And for those who still use external SD cards like in their phone for expanding their storage, this is something that you should do. If you aren't able to see your SD card, or you aren't even able to use it at all, first of all, you need to format your SD card. Most at times, or even most likely, your phone will prompt you to format your SD card if it's not supported or it cannot read it. So you are lucky and you're on the safe side and you can be able to format your SD card. If you try formatting it and it is not working, you have to take it out and put it inside something like this, which is an SD card reader. Put it into your laptop and then copy or just try to format your SD card. You can do it in 2 ways. You can do it either using your command interface or command prompt interface, or you can do it using some prompts on your laptop. If you want to know how to do this into detail, let me know in the comment section as well. If you try all these 2 methods and your SD card isn't being read or it can't even be formatted, just know that the SD card is dead, as this one here. This SD card is totally dead, and that is reasonable. I've been using it for about 2 years now, so yeah, it just died on me and I had to get a new one. So in case you are facing such a problem, then the two solutions should work for you. If you have gotten value from the video, then I recommend that you subscribe to the channel and also hit the notification bell icon so that when I release new videos, you'd be notified. And also, it would go a long way to helping other people who might be facing this issue by recommending my video to them as well. So yeah, please subscribe to the channel and also give me a like. It also help the algorithm most likely. But for the last point now, for the last problem of the day, that's weird. It's for iPhone users, or it's mostly for iPhone users. Because why not? It has to do with overheating phones. Now you get me right? Yeah, it has to do with overheating phones or when your phone overheats. Here is how you can fix that. First of all, you need to remove the case of your phone. But this is because the heat gets trapped inside the case, just like when you wear a coat or a jacket in the heat. So take off the case from your phone. Next, you need to put your phone down when you're charging it. Don't use your phone whilst you are charging it, because whilst you are charging the phone already, heat is being transferred through and it's moving about. Then you use the phone already and then you are going to keep the heat going for you. But you need to let the phone rest, let it cool down before, after it's done charging, you can use it. Next, don't keep your phone on flat surfaces whilst it's charging, or don't keep your phone on soft surfaces like pillows whilst it's charging. This is because the heat is going to be going through it, it's going to go round about it because of the soft surface. So the soft surface is going to absorb the heat and just going to recirculate it around the phone. And with that way, your phone is really going to get heated up. So get a flat surface to keep your phone when you're in charging it, and when you want to charge it too. You actually have to use a flat surface either ways. But then for me, I actually use a phone stand like this, or a phone mount, to put my phone on when I'm charging it, just to keep it safe for me. So you can try that as well if you want to. I have a detailed video explaining how you can stop your phone from overheating, and it's going to be in a video card over here, or it's going to be in the comment section or in the description, just for your convenience. Let me know what you think about this video. Let me know your opinions. If you have been able to solve a particular problem you faced when using a mobile phone or your smartphone, do that in the comment section, and we are done for the day. If you like this video and you reach this far, don't hesitate to share it to others too. I am Jehiel, and we are going to talk again. But till then, bye.